Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Renee with RealHome Renae, and I'm so glad that you are joining me today. So I did a project this week for a maker studio, and if you haven't caught me over there, the company is called A Maker Studio, and I go on their Facebook page often and do crafts with their products. So I want to share with you one of the projects that I made this week, and I made my own planner. Okay, so every year I do this little Frankenstein thing of putting my own planner together. Sorry, my dogs just came in, so you probably hear that. I do this Frankenstein thing of putting together my own planner that works for me. And this year I have a couple of different planners, and I wanted to make my own custom cover for my homeschool planner because we are homeschoolers. So I want to show you what I came up with. I'll tell you, I used 2 stencils on this project. So the front cover, let's see if you can see it, is this. His mercies are new every morning, and I bent it in the middle. So I got a little wrinkle right there. His mercies are new every morning. And then this is the second stencil I use. It's called the In Bloom stencil. And I will turn the camera around and let you see the process of how I got these colors and how I got this look. So just wanted to let you know, I really enjoy putting together my own planners, and you can do it too. So if you have any questions, put your comments down below. I would really appreciate one of these. If you enjoyed it, then please share the love and, subscribe, because I will be bringing you more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. So here's the stencil that I chose. It is called His Mercy. It's new every morning. And it is an adhesive stencil. The stencil itself is an 8.5 by 11, and it fits perfectly on this 8.5 by 11 piece of yellow cardstock. And I wanted to use different colors on this, so I chose 4 different colors. I chose a copper, and I have a gold, and a darker teal, and a light turquoise. Now, I have to say, I will put the colors in the comments below. On the screen right now, you see the light turquoise. It ended up being a little more baby blue with the yellow, but I really like how it turned out. Just to let you know, so whatever color you use is going to change. It can change the color of the chalk art. This is the chalk art medium that I'm using. We have different mediums to use. I chose the chalk art, which is typically not a permanent medium. If you want permanent, generally you go with their gel art inks, but I knew I would be laminating this or putting a cover over it, a plastic covering over it. So I knew I could use the chalk arts and it would be a permanent medium. So next thing I did is I analyzed the stencil. I knew I wanted to use the different colors. I had to pre-plan where I wanted to use the colors so that I had a balance of color. I knew I wanted to start with gold in the sunshine, and then I thought it'd be cool to bring in the copper, so I used the copper in the splashes to the side and the copper in the rays above the sunshine, and then I brought in the blue and kind of alternated the blues. So now I'm done. I want to pull the stencil up very gently. And you don't want to wait long at all because the chalk art dries very quickly and it can dry in the mesh. So pull up the stencil gently, pull it back, and then I will wash the stencil and it'll be ready to use for the next time. So there is my front cover. Now, I got to get ready to do the back side and the back cover. Okay, now this is a new stencil and it is called In Bloom because it has all these beautiful little flowers on it, and to me it's kind of just like boho and just so sweet. So I wanted to do something a little bit different with it, with the design of it, which is really neat. You can do with these stencils. If you saw there, I put the edge of the stencil on to the paper, and then I pulled the backing off gently, and that's the easiest way I found to get it level or straight on the project that I'm working on. So I'm doing this stencil on the inside cover and on the back cover. So the inside of the front and on the back cover. So I'm using the same colors of chalk art. And again, I kind of looked at it and said, where do I want to place these colors? I want to use all the colors. So you will see what I'm doing here. I'm just making stripes. So it's really cool how it comes out. It's a striped effect. And I don't worry about the colors blending together or being perfect size stripes because it just looks really neat when you're done. So I did gold in the middle because on the front cover, you remember I put gold on the sunshine. So gold is the main color. And then I used the other colors on either side. So it was that easy, guys. You can do this too. It's just a really simple project. You can make your own planner like I did. Don't worry about, it looking perfect because I think it looks really cool when it's handmade and it's handmade by you. Look at that. How cool. So now you see the stripes. How cool is that? You're going to have a customized planner just for you. And that's how easy it is. And you can use, we have tons of stencils that would work for this project. Happy crafting, guys.